On this episode, we're making a pair of statement earrings based on Stanley Kubrick's horror masterpiece, The Shining. For this project, I'm going to be making the carpet from room 237 using a polymer clay cane. I'm using a tissue blade to cut out long strips of clay. When combined, these strips of clay will form the pattern of the carpet. The easiest way to make a cane is to use a template. I drew a rough sketch of the carpet and I'm using it as a guide. I start with the center of my design first and I work outward. I'm wrapping the green clay along the center of the cane. I'm going to double it up to make it just a little bit thicker. Now I'm just going to wrap a single layer of black around the green. And I'm going to continue the pattern. That earring is massive. Not to worry, we're about to shrink it down. To reduce our cane, we're going to start squeezing from the middle, and then we're going to squeeze outward. When you're rolling, make sure not to twist the clay so that your cane doesn't end up crooked. Colored Sculpey tends to be really soft. You may want to put your cane in the freezer, like I did, for about 10 to 15 minutes. That should stiffen the clay up enough for you to be able to cut it with your tissue blade. Instead of doing a square, I'm arranging my pieces in a diamond shape. Instead of making a square, I'm arranging my pieces into a diamond shape. Make sure that everything is adhered very well and cut off the excess. Now I'm making my holes for my earrings with my potter's needle. I'm going to take some black clay and border the earrings. I think it'll frame the earrings very nicely. My earrings came out a bit lumpy, so I wet sanded them with some fine grit sandpaper. Let's finish off our earrings by adding some ear wire and some jump rings. And there they are, your Art Deco inspired statement earrings. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Crafting with Ursa.